The program has helped Arogya AI the most through weekly mentoring sessions by the best engineers. They've helped our tech team understand the finer points of deploying the software and also refine the software deployment plan for going to market.
GE Healthcare has immense technical capabilities which will help productize this solution quickly, and it has the right connections and influence with customers and governments that help operationalize this solution to help work towards this goal.
Our clinical mentors have helped us understand the path to product market fit and how to bring research neuroscience tools into clinical practice. Our technical mentors have helped us build an industrial-grade scalable product.
What GE is doing in collaboration with BrainSight AI is to put this on the Edison platform, so all the physicians who are on the Edison platform is able to use this tool for their neurodiagnosis and therapy for their patients.
The experience with the GE Accelerator has been phenomenal. We've got to work on some very interesting experiences. We've got to interact very closely with our GE mentors who guide us through, the insides of GE, the insides of the healthcare industry. We also got a great opportunity to work with their data science teams and actually collaborate on building an AI model that does some really cool stuff.
Cohort 2 has helped us to collaborate with Fluid AI for data management and AI capabilities, and also partner with Photonics for confidential compute and data protection within the Edison platform. Combining these two solutions provides wing-to-wing capability for equipment health and monitoring, improving the customer experience.
Unlocking value both in terms of the business use case and the technology roadmap. We've got phenomenal mentoring from clinical mentors, data mentors, regulatory mentors to kind of confirm that our minimum viable product is going to be for a global launch.
They are AI based. It is going to be very complementary to our portfolio of offerings, including NeuroQuant and Quantum. And they're, in addition to neurodegeneration, they're also looking to provide radiological aids in the space of temporal lobe epilepsies, which is quite challenging.
On the program, we were able to successfully deploy Onward's smart pathology platform on the healthcare cloud with some very strong standards-based interoperability. Our interactions with both the GE Healthcare India team as well as the global team helped us get a good understanding of the fitment of our solution blocks from Onward in the overall cancer treatment journey of a patient.
So this was quite a rewarding experience because it also proves in the longer run how Edison platform is poised towards bringing newer third-party integration very quickly, because we did all this integration within 2.5 months' time.
We are very proud to be part of the GE Healthcare India Edison Accelerator program and part of this cohort, where through this association offer a solution together to healthcare system and patients alike. We will be able to accelerate collection and improvement of the clinical outcomes.
Now, what if this data that is generated in the hospital can be combined with the data generated by the patient at home? This would give the doctor or the treating physician a comprehensive 360-degree view of the patient, which will enable a good quality of care.